the Biochemistry Building, located off University Street, right next to the Hanson Life Sciences and Research Building, which is housed in the College of Agriculture. We're going to go in and take a look. Biochemistry is the agriculture or chemistry of living things. It addresses components of life and how they work. Here we are in the Biochemistry Building, on the third floor, where some upper-level division courses are taken. In biology, you learn mostly about molecular underpinnings and of the biological material, and this helps you better understand life processes and solve problems along those lines. Some classes you have to take from upper division courses are Biochem 46300, which is macromolecule machines, and Biochem 46500, which is Biochem of life processes. And there's also a physics course you have to take, Physics 2000, and this is just general physics. Some jobs, graduates from biochemistry major get jobs usually in medicine, which could be pharmacy or veterinarian. They also go into chemical and pharmaceutical industries. They can go work in medical laboratories, and they also have to work at state and federal governments. A good SDS code for biochemistry majors is IRS, which stands for Investigative, Realistic, and Social. For biochemistry majors, they have to be really investigative because they have to search for new different theories upon life processes. They have to be realistic upon the results. They can't be really imaginative about all their findings. They have to be grounded towards the results. They have to be social by working in groups to together figure out the results that they found. There are one course required math you have to do, and it's called MA 1601, which is pre-calculus. There is also two core sciences you have to do, which is biology 11000 and biology 11100. There's no foreign language required, and you have 6 free unrestricted credits that you can take to go along with your major. The quota requirements to get into biochemistry, College of Agriculture, are a minimum of 12 Purdue credits, a minimum of a 2.0 GPA, and to get into biochemistry, you have to get a C- or better in chemistry 115 and chemistry 116. Student organizations represented are some of these right here. As you can see, there's an on-site pipe calibration and repair that students can participate in. There's also on-site balance calibration that people can participate in, biological students. Here are also some essays and whatnot that biochemistry students have written up, and as you can see, they're pretty good. Science culture vibe from the biochemistry building. There's a lot of laboratories. There's actually even a dark room. You can pictures and whatnot. As you can see, we're on the south side of State Street, where Barron and Matthews is located right directly across from us. According to the other campus. There's State Street right there. It's very close.
Hello, my name is Zach, and we're standing outside the Forestry Building, located on Marsteller Street, right behind the College or Agriculture Administration Building. And we're going to take a stroll inside, and I'll show you around the Forestry Building, and we're going to see what the wildlife major has in store. Wildlife is in the College of Agriculture, which that building is located down that way. To our right, we have the fish lab. Description of wildlife major. In this major, you will learn about wildlife research, management, and the education system as well, and how it is applied to biology and the economy. The students in the wildlife major will also learn about the emphasis of understanding ecosystems and the human disturbance and how the ecosystem responds to the humans and how we treat it. The wildlife major has many. After graduating with a degree in wildlife, you prepare yourself for many career choices, such as Well, you can do public organizations with state or federal fish and wildlife organizations, other private consulting firms, and even a lot of students go on for graduate degrees. And in the United States, it is ranked number one in the number one percentage for undergraduates who go on to get their PhD in biological sciences. To find out if you would be suitable in a wildlife degree, there is a SDS search, which is a self-directed search, and in this you list your likes and dislikes, and then you rate them, and you get your score, which is a set of letters. And for wildlife, it is IRE. IRE also has many alternative ones, such as ERI, RIE, and etc., with them being rearranged. For this major, you also have specific courses such as a quantitative reasoning course, which is Applied Calculus 16010, and then specific science required is both General Chemistry 111 and 112. There are no foreign languages, and you get 10 elective free credits to choose what you want to use those for, or what you want to study. There are also many different opportunities for wildlife, such as work studies or study abroad options and such. Up here on this board, we can see that from 2013 summer, the wildlife majors went to Poland, Germany, and then another one, picture from Poland, which would be a pretty sweet experience. The CODO requirements for this major are not very difficult. The minimum is a 2.0 grade point average, which is a C minus, right? Yeah. And then a minimum of 12 earned Purdue credits. Most students start out taking general chemistry, first year composition, and applied calculus, and the fundamentals of biology in the first year if they already know what they want to, if they know they want to pursue a wildlife major. Wildlife and biochemistry majors are similar in several ways. They're similar because they both deal with outdoors and the environment and biological sciences. They also have similar chemistry classes such as Chem 112 and Chem 115. And also they have the same quantitative reasoning course required, which is Math 16010. And they're both located in the College of Agriculture.
They have some differences though. Biochemistry is more math and statistics oriented, while wildlife is more about the ecosystem and the human interactions with it. Biochemistry focuses more on molecular underpinnings of biological material, such as cells and small organisms.
Why choose wildlife to be your major? Wildlife would be great for anyone who enjoys outdoors or any physical activity, such as a fisherman or wildlife preservatives. Wildlife is also pretty easy. It only requires a 2.0 grade point average, and even has a good location on campus. Wildlife major would also be good if you are looking to further your education into like biological sciences, such as like to become an ecologist or a conservation biologist or even a zoologist. Wildlife biology focuses mainly on protecting and enhancing wildlife populations, which would be great for anyone who is wanting to protect or secure the ecosystem.
Biochemistry is great for students who are science-oriented and who like to solve problems while learning about life processes. It is great for hands-on students who are also investigative and like to work along labs. It only requires a 2.0 GPA to get into, and it's full of different professional paths from medicine all the way to being a government official. Graduate students, there is a graduate rate of 86%, while the average starting salary is $42,561. With biological agriculture ranking first among schools in the nation, if you're an investigative, realistic person, this major is for you.
That is it for our video. I hope you enjoy or choose to become major in wildlife or biochemistry.